Now, if you want to check what model you're currently using, you can ask the bot directly. Or in Telegram, you can run the command /model. That'll show you the current model that you're running. Here it says that we're running Claude Sonnet 4.5, which is exactly what we wanted. We wanted to run Claude Sonnet. And then similarly, you could ask your bot to switch model for you, or by running this model command, you can then click Browse Providers, and then choose from one of the available providers, for example, let's say OpenAI, and then within there, select the specific model you want to use. Let's try GPT-5 for a minute. We'll say, "Hi, are you there?" And just like that, we've got a response. To set it back to your default, simply run the same model command and select your original model. Now here I've set up both Anthropic and OpenAI as model providers that we can use for this particular bot.